What up, YouTube? Back here. I'm gonna do a challenge today. My challenge is, alright guys, so the challenge today is to catch a fish top water, but not just any top water. We're trying to go fly fishing today. If you guys look out here in the water, look at that. Rainstorms the last few days. That really brought the air temperature down. However, the water temperature I think is still kind of warm. So we're gonna see how that affects the top water bite. You know, still gonna give it a try. So guys, if you can see down there, this is the same little popper that I had tied on the last time, but this time I have a larger mouse. So the bluegills definitely are not as active today. So hopefully that means bass will be on it. Struggling with this cast, yo. Got one. What do we got? I think it's a sunfish. Yep. It is a, let's see, it looks like a red belly sunfish. So first catch of the day, red belly sunfish. It's a big one too, you guys. Look at that. Look at his hump. Woo! Alright guys, so we just tied on the mouse. Look at that. Oh, I got one. Oh, I got one, you guys. Oh, sick. Sick. Oh, he's fighting good. Feels like a good one. Man, I can't get him in. Oh! Alright, so that wasn't working. And he's fighting hard. Oh man. On this rod, this is crazy. Alright, I'm gonna just grab the leader. Look at that! Wow. Damn, this is like a 2-pounder. That is sick. That was a sick fight, you guys. Alright guys, let's get this hook out. Alright guys, got the hook out. Get a release on him. There we go. Have a good one. Thank you. Alright guys, I was sitting down, fishing this wacky rig, moving spots. Ooh, it is a good one. Alright, hold on. Okay, stop jumping. Alright, come on. Oh man. What is up? Got like a 3-pounder right here. What? The light rod.
Hey, boy.
Yeah, that's not bad. Look at that, guys. The wacky rig right in the corner of the mouth. Boom. This guy is like it's pretty good. He's like probably pushing 3. I didn't think it was that big when he hit it. Whoops. There he goes. Alright guys, so called it quits with the fly rod. Cast off my fly. Alright guys, so we're gonna wrap up the morning. I am going to do a giveaway as I am reaching 400 subscribers. What I want you guys to do is I want you to comment in the bottom. Well, first I need you to be a subscriber, and the second I need you to leave a comment. Tell me what was the bait that you caught your personal best on. I caught mine on a chatterbait skirtless with a Kitech as the trailer. Let me hear what you guys do. If you want the giveaway, I will post in my next video who's the winner, and let me hear about what baits you guys use to catch your PBs. I will catch you guys next one. All right, guys, got ourselves a nice little bass on the way out. So, don't forget to go on, leave a comment, and tell me what kind of bait you caught your PB on. Let me know in the comment section below. I'll pick a random winner, and we will send you some tackle. That will be the prize. I'll give you my own mystery tackle box. Have a good one. Subscribe.